Pythagoras, the Ionian Greek philosopher and mathematician, is often credited with devising our Western system of music. The 12-note Pythagorean system evolved to become the equal-tempered chromatic scale that we use today. The geometry of music is astounding and beautiful, but it is also helpful in learning and understanding music. A circle, for example, represents a perfect octave. The 12 points of a regular dodecagon align perfectly with the 12 notes of the chromatic scale. Connecting these points with straight lines creates a dodecagram. Any line connecting 2 points on the circle represents an interval, the simplest form of chord. Triangles represent triads, augmented, major, minor, and diminished. Tetragons, or quadrilaterals like squares, diamonds, rectangles, kites, and various trapezoids, represent tetrachords, major seventh, minor seventh, dominant seventh, minor seventh flat 5, dominant seventh flat 5, diminished seventh, and augmented seventh, some of the most commonly used chords in music. Pentagons represent pentatonic scales, major, minor, modal, and others, and pentachords, with the major, minor, and dominant ninth being the most common. Hexagons represent hexatonic scales, such as the whole tone and minor half step. Heptagons represent heptatonic scales, the most commonly used scales and modes. Heptagons also represent tetrachords with upper structure triads. Octagons represent octatonic scales, such as diminished scales and some dense octachords. Larger polygons represent larger scales, nonatonic, decatonic, and hendecatonic. The 12-sided dodecagon is the largest polygon used in music and represents the full chromatic scale. Chords and scales are transposed by rotating shapes around their center and transformed by reflection over one or more of 12 possible axes or mirror planes. Transformation is a form of musical cubism, like the cubism of Picasso, where the subject is painted or material is sculpted from multiple perspectives. In an upcoming video, we will explore the symmetry of music and expand on cubism. Until then, have a nice day.